The new road traffic bill is now one step closer to becoming law. Transport Minister Mike Henry closed debate on the bill in Parliament on Tuesday. It was passed with 131 amendments. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
The proposed legislation will replace the current Road Traffic Act of 1938, sections of which have become outdated due to technological developments in motor vehicles and road designs. Transport Minister Mike Henry says the bill is intended to reduce injuries and loss of life on the nation's roads.
We would save the health sector millions of dollars and make greater contributions to economic growth and development with less grease on the road.
One of the features of the bill is a restriction on handheld devices while driving. There is, however, a provision in the bill for hands-free use of cell phones, but opposition spokesman on transport Michael Phillips is proposing that earphones in both ears be banned as it impairs one's ability to hear.
This issue, Mr. Speaker, will be reviewed with an intent to provide details in the road traffic regulations as well as in the amendments that are being made to the Transport Authority Act and regulations.
Some of the offences under the bill include driving without required motor vehicle insurance coverage that will attract a fine of $20,000, driving a motor vehicle without being the holder of a driver's license $40,000, failure to obey traffic light $24,000. The bill also proposes that acceptable alcohol levels should not exceed 0.02% for regular drivers. During Tuesday's sitting of Parliament, there were concerns about the number of points drivers will lose if they smoke ganja and drive.
Offence smoking ganja as defined by Dangerous Drug Act. While driving, the demerit point is 2, while driving under the influence of alcohol is 14.
Mr. Phillips argued that that's inconsistent. Security Minister Robert Montague agreed.
Alcohol is legitimate and you can legitimately purchase it. But yet if you drive under the influence of alcohol, there's a 14 demerit point. Yeah. So I am saying ganja, although it is decriminalized in limited amounts, the demerit points should also be more.
The definition being used is under the Dangerous Drug Act, isn't it? So it must be defined what it is under the Dangerous Drug Act, which has to be interpreted by a policeman on the road and presents its problems.
I am guided by you.
The legislation will now go to the Senate, where it is expected to get the support of both government and opposition senators. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.